Alright, so where do we think Bitcoin is going this year? It is July 26th, 2019. So before I begin, I'm going to let you guys know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is strictly for educational purposes and at the same time, just trade at your own risk. I'm not giving financial advice or telling you guys when to trade or anything, but yeah, this is educational. But overall, right now we see Bitcoin has been in a strong bull market. It was at a strong downtrend, but lately at the beginning of this year, it's been in a hard push, and now we're witnessing some form of correction from what it seems. So we're dropping down to the weekly chart. We'll drop down to the daily real quick because there really isn't a lot of data we can really go off of. So we'll just try to do what we can to actually project what's going to happen here. Which direction is Bitcoin actually taking? So we're seeing it's close to a strong trend line. It kind of broke a trend that it had on its own, so there's just one more level that it could possibly take for a drop. So what happened here is actually, let's clear this stuff and actually kind of start over. Might as well at this point. So from what I can actually see, it started a huge head and shoulders pattern just to eventually create an inverted head and shoulders, and it didn't go for long. It just whipped around with another head and shoulders type pattern just to start another drop trend. So from what it looked here, it looked like it was trying to make another one, but it struggled, and now it's making more of a flag type pattern. Or is it breaking right now? It could actually be breaking that structure. It's more of a triangle based pattern. So what could happen right now is it can move up, back into it, up, and down. It's just based on the movement that's actually happening now. And if we look on a smaller time frame, we see a reversal candle starting to form here. So this could be a drop, and which looks like it could actually go down to the 9,000 level here. Or if we look one more time, it can go to this area here too, to 8,000 area, 400 area. So there's, from what I would think would be two possible areas that it can actually turn, but this is where I would actually wait for more confirmation to actually purchase it. And now we're looking at Litecoin to see which direction it's headed. So Litecoin, we can tell that there really isn't much to be shown here either, considering it is more of a new currency too. But from what I can see, it's trying to rise up for a little bit. So if it breaks, it can actually go to that structure, considering this is a bigger head and shoulders type, and just drop. I wouldn't think it would go that low though, personally, but from what I can see, I would honestly go towards the 71. From what I can see. And it may play around for a bit around this area before making another pattern and rising. And if I look at Ethereum, honestly, there's really not much you can really say about Ethereum on its own, considering where it is. I mean, yeah, there is more of an M-type pattern. So, you can try to make a triangle, and we can definitely see it rising, but the problem is it's already close to that 200 area. Maybe there's potential for it to go to 100, but Ethereum likes to do its own thing too. So time will tell to see what happens, but I can honestly see it playing into something else and rising as well. So with Ethereum, I probably would just monitor it. Personally, I'll monitor it on my own. And then Litecoin and Bitcoin, I'm just going to look more into what happens, and we'll focus on more drop opportunities or wait for an opportunity to buy. Just because the market is open doesn't mean I have to trade it. But ultimately, I just want to find that direction and find out when it actually breaks. But ultimately, what do you actually think? Where do you think Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum is headed? I mean, if not for this next coming month, for the rest of the year. If you have room to speak, feel free to comment. If you like this video, found it pretty helpful, feel free to give it a like, comment, or subscribe if you want more information.